Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Accent's AC filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can complete in about 10 minutes, requiring no special tools. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly is crucial for maintaining excellent air quality inside your vehicle and ensuring your heating and air conditioning system operates efficiently. Let's get started and breathe cleaner air on your drives. First, open your Hyundai Accent's passenger side glove box and clear out any items. Next, locate the small damper arm on the right side of the glove box and gently unhook it from its peg. Then, find the two circular retaining clips or stoppers inside the glove box. Turn them about 1/4 turn counterclockwise or squeeze them to release, allowing the glove box to fully drop down. With the glove box lowered, you will see a rectangular housing cover. This is where your cabin air filter resides. Gently pinch the two clips on either side of this cover to release it, then pull the cover away. Carefully slide out the old filter, observing which way the airflow arrow points. Now, insert your new cabin air filter, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically downwards, into the housing. To finish up, snap the filter housing cover back into position until the clips engage. Then, raise the glove box and reinsert the two retaining clips, turning them clockwise to lock them securely. Finally, reattach the damper arm to its peg on the right side of the glove box. Close the glove box, and you're all set to enjoy much cleaner air and more efficient heating and cooling in your Hyundai Accent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.